Hello, good afternoon. My name is Eber Harrison Moreno Bustos, industrial engineering student and I study at University Nacional Abierta de Distancia UNAD. How did you hear about the position open with our company here? Well, when I heard about the opportunity of changing location and moving from one physical location to another, I thought about making a career move as well, and I was starting with my interest and passion, and I love you being outside. I love doing outdoor activities and I love working with people. When I was looking online, I found the website and that there were positions available in the city area, so I thought I would apply. Fine, thanks very much.